Greetings. If you're watching this video, it's probably because you're considering buying this GForce electric kettle. As is often the case, I received this product free for the purpose of review, but despite that, I'll be completely candid about it because I shop on Amazon the same way you do, and I certainly don't want to have unpleasant surprises showing up in the mail. So, first of all, as preparation, I have not pre-prepped this demo. I'm going to actually on camera turn it on. I'm going to put water in it, turn it on, and we'll see how it does. So that could take 5 minutes. That could take 2 minutes, but I'll get to it. Pan the camera down a bit here. So I have a liter of water, which is currently at 76 degrees. And I have one GForce electric kettle here, open by pushing the button. Push the button in and the top comes off. And I'll put the liter of water in, trying not to get water all over my computer equipment. If you should notice the video suddenly shorting out, well, that's why. Alright, close the lid, put the thermometer in, turn it on. Let's see what happens. I do also have a electrical meter hooked up to the outlet. It is pulling 1,290 watts out of the plug there, so that's pretty impressive. Put the other side and put the camera here, or get rid of the glare a bit. You can see we're up to 83 degrees, 82. So I wish that I had prepared something funny to say while waiting, but so far nothing. I've got some bubbles on the bottom. 90 degrees. Also hope that doesn't do something unpleasant right in my face. I'll lean back a bit. 94 degrees, 95, 96. Yes, this is stone boring, and I apologize. But, at least you know what you're buying, right? We've reached 100 degrees after about a minute, I would say. 103. At some point, it should become too hot to hold what's the word I'm looking for? This really is entertaining, isn't it? The thermometer in this spout. We're up to 115. Starting to get a nice boiling sound. It's 130. I apologize. This is probably the most boring video you could possibly conceive of. I am literally boiling water just for you. You can ignore the alert that might go off when it hits 160. This is a meat thermometer, so it's not very smart about boiling water. I believe the temperature we're looking for is like 173, I want to say. Guess we'll find out. 156. Oh, the beef's done. Sorry, hard to avoid the glare there. It is still pulling a solid 1,280 watts out of that outlet. So, not something you want to leave on all the time. We're at 174 degrees, 75, 76. Okay, so I'm completely wrong about the boiling point of water. 187. It's getting a little too hot to have my finger in the spout there. 191. Starting to get a nice rolling boil, sounds like. Another major question which occurs to me is always, do these things turn off automatically? This one certainly should. We'll see if it does. 205. It's really boiling now. 206. Okay, and it's turned off at 212 Fahrenheit. So, all right. So there you have it. Live demo, probably the most boring thing you've ever seen, but you know this product does boil water and about what time it takes to do it. So 5 minutes to boiling, and there you have it. I hope that was helpful. If not, please leave me a comment. Let me know what else I need to do to prove to you that it's good or not. And until next time, happy shopping.